For week 5, you have 2 tasks to complete. So under the course assignments, you're going to see this folder using Excel in the classroom. You're to read the assigned readings, watch the assigned video in addition to my lecture, and then review the requirements of the assignment and the rubric, complete the assignments, and submit the assignment via the assignment link in your website by Friday, September 21st by 11:59 p.m. When you click on the folder, you're going to see that you have the assignment and the rubric, and again, I'm just reiterating that you're going to read the readings first, you're going to watch the video, you'll watch this lecture first to give you some pointers. Then you also have one other task to complete as outlined in the announcement, which is under this discussion form. You're going to research 3 Excel lesson plans and post summaries. You're not responding to anyone this week. This is just more informational for other people that don't see the benefit of how Excel could be used in a lesson plan. The reading that I assigned you, along with the additional website I'm having you look at, and then the video, gives you some background on how to use it. So I'm hoping that after you have completed the assignment, you'll do research using peer-reviewed journals if possible. I would try to avoid the websites only, because it's not going to give you the depth that you need. But you're going to post articles that you find. So you need 3 articles or a combination of articles and websites. You're going to, it's the article, you're going to upload the attachment of the article. You're going to write a summary for each of the 3 that you locate, and that would be 2 to 3 paragraphs. A paragraph consists of 6 to 7 sentences. That is how you're going to be graded, in addition to using APA. So there's a specific point value for each, but again, you do not respond to anybody. With Excel, you're going to be graded on using formulas. So if I have, I'm just going to give you a quick little piece. If I put 5 in here, and let's go across, and 10 for point values, and 4, and 7, and 8. And I want to get to the sum of those. If I do this, and then I put A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 plus E1, and then close it out, that's the total. But this is not using a formula. You have formulas built into Excel that you'll use. So if you're using this, and this is how it shows up for you, you're going to end up with a deductions, because that's not using the formula. You would use specific formulas built in. So if I'm using a specific formula, I would do now. You look at the differences. You see it says A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 plus E1. It gets the same number. However, here it's cleaner, and I used a formula. So if you do this, you'll get deductions. This is what I'm looking for. And then the other requirements are pretty self-explanatory as to what you have to have in there. The rubric is really what you need to use to guide yourself as to what you'll get graded on. And again, you're going to submit to both your website and to your to the assignment link. I want you to use a specific formula, or not formula, naming convention for your assignment. So the assignment will look like this. So here are the readings. When you are using citations, if you use my citations, this is the correct way to cite APA. You don't need to include the chapters for the readings, but you need to copy and paste this. This is the way to cite a website. You don't just put the website here, www. blah, blah, blah. You put the name of the website, there's no date. You put the title of it. Excel is the only word in the title that needs to be capitalized, unless there was a special character after the word classroom, in which case the next word following would be capitalized, and then you put retrieved from, and then the web address. This is a video I've assigned you. This is the specific way to cite it correctly. So the author's last name, followed by the first initial, followed by the year, the date, and month that they created it. The name of it, again, only capitalizing the first letter or the first word in the title, so this is more than a spreadsheet. Here is a special character, colon, so then the word directly following is capitalized, but nothing else. And then a period, and then you have the bracket, video file, close bracket, period, retrieved from, and then the actual address of the site. Again, if you just copy this word for word, just copy and paste, that's going to get you the correct citation. These are the requirements you have to have. You're going to submit it by Friday, but this is the naming convention I want you to put on your website. Week5_Excel_do 9_21_18. So if you have any questions, let me know. This is a pretty straightforward assignment. It's requiring you to do some research on your end for the discussion thread. That's why I'm not asking you to respond to anybody. I would really like you to investigate the uses of Excel in the classroom. And I'm talking at any age from kindergarten through 12th grade. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week. And if you have questions, text me, stop by my office, or email me.